Manje. We're back with another one. Now welcome to More Zion Music, yo. A platform where we react to Zion music. Anywho, I thought somebody was knocking. We are back with another one. Now welcome to a platform where we react to Zion music. Choir practice, listen, you name it. And thank you guys for some of the suggestions. I will most definitely look over them. Scott Maslugisia. So today's video is Multivision. I've never heard of it. Multivision be babehamba ngomthetho wabo. Yazini masi ubekeni. Yeah, babehamba ngomthetho wabo and masiqhubeke. And then it goes on. It's a long title. But asizwe ukuthi my vision iphethe. The past 2 days. That's how I feel like I'm going the past 2 days. Mawakala analento. That's now he's on the first bad. Now let's photo. This is loud as hell. This is sorry. This is loud. This is loud, bruh. At this point, are they using did they amplify the sound or something? What's going on? This is loud, brother. This is loud. No way Elite and the first part are just casually singing like that. It sounds like what? Are you serious? That voice is so loud. It is so my sister, she's those type of women. Wow. This is impressive. No, guys. No, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Why should I lie? This is impressive. This. Woo! Oh! Hey! I never. people are screaming. They are screaming. This child came out of nowhere and screamed her lungs out and like she screamed, yeah. No, she screamed. I don't care. Like one thing, guys, you need to understand. Sing. Don't scream. But and again, it's my opinion. So even if you do come for me, I genuinely don't care. Like because I'm reacting. So job I'm react just because I'm reacting to Zion music and I'm criticizing Zion music. People are gonna come for my neck. I know. I'm used to it. But that child was screaming. Yeah, I got pekanga. She screamed. But anyway, I see so. Loud. This is loud. I had to increase the volume. Oh my god. Oh god. Why? Really, I have to respect. But these are the things we see as our own. Yes. Baby girl, don't get discouraged by me. Don't. Like, oh my god. But this is beautiful though. This is But you can say whatever you wanna say, bro. This child has potential, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, that switch, that switch was good. That that switch was good. The video was very short. I won't lie to you. The video was very short, but short and powerful though. I mean, irrespective of what you wanna say, man, that that is impressive. That is impressive. First of all, is number one. The thing is, I understand if the the place itself, not the place, man. The video itself was amplified, and that was loud. That was loud. It was loud. But at the same time, as amanye amahholo ayabhora, some halls have echo kakhulu. Too much echo, awuzwa ukuthi kwenzakalani, but yo, mm, I've never heard of Mighty Vision before that Kalugizwa. I don't know. I don't know where they from or any. Probably you guys will let me know in my comment section. So, oh, anywho, so wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. If you like the content, guys, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, share the channel, and comment, and also give me your own recommendations. So that we can go forward and see what more we can do. So, yo, any favorite words of Jupiter? Adios.